At the local hospital, they told us that there was some kind of mass that they had identified on the scans, which at the time was quite terrifying because we didn't know what it was. So my brother was then evaluated. My name is Andrea Garofalo, and I am originally from Italy. I was born in Bologna, Italy, and I moved to Indiana when I was about 5 years old. Now I'm a third-year medical student here, about to begin my PhD. When I was 12 years old, my brother Francesco started having what I only later realized were seizures. We came to find out that he had a benign tumor. And so he needed to have a brain surgery, essentially, which is always kind of a terrifying prospect for anyone, let alone an 11-year-old kid. For a long time, obviously because of my brother's experience, I was really set on being a neurosurgeon. A lot of kids grow up wanting to be astronauts, and I guess the neurosurgeon became like this astronaut-like figure in my mind. This person who is essentially doing the impossible, operating on this impossibly complicated organ. I decided to go into medicine because I wanted to be a neurosurgeon. During my 2 gap years after college, I spent time at the Broad Institute in Boston doing computational cancer research, cancer genomics, and sequencing patient tumors to try to identify mutations that are specific to their tumors for the purpose of personalized treatment. Stanford was extremely appealing because of its almost unsurpassed research reputation. I am starting MD PhD track, which fully fund both my research expenses and my living expenses throughout my PhD, and then will also fully fund tuition for the last 2 years of my medical training. I've never faltered in my wanting to become a clinician. Medical school can be hard for a million different reasons, but whatever hardship or temporary hardship I have to go through to get through the next phase of school is worth it, because there are hundreds, thousands, millions of people around the world who are currently at this moment going through what my family went through 15 years ago, and they could use my help, I hope.